camel burger is really good for man, give him more energy for.
Supposedly, Fez is the culinary capital of Morocco. So I asked GuideGeek exactly how to get stuff here, and it recommended me 5 of their top dishes. This is pumpkin bissara. Super simple to make. I mean, it's just carrots, apples, pumpkin, little garlic, quick puree, and a side of some bread, and you're done. Wow. Dish number 2 is pastilla. So chicken, almonds, eggs,
onion,
topped with some powdered sugar and some cinnamon with a side of mint. Wow. AI is pointing us in the right direction. What's next? Do you have brioche? GuideGeek says that brioches are pastries stuffed with meat or fish. The vendor agrees. That is fantastic. And last on the list is tagine, which you can eat with lamb, chicken, or any other protein. Before we end this fantastic day, I tried to do some research on why the camel burger is good for you-know-what, and I couldn't find anything, but I trust her.